Sit back and relax as 1.2 performs a play called Spoogly the Square Pumpkin.
Spoogly the Square Pumpkin.
Good morning, parents, teachers and students. Welcome to Bear's Pumpkin Patch Assembly. Today we are going to tell you a story about Spoogly the Square Pumpkin. Spoogly was different, Spoogly was odd, but he proved that he can still be special and one of a kind. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Square Pumpkin is asleep in the pumpkin patch. She is surrounded by a group of round pumpkins. Including in the group there are two pumpkin bullies, Big Tom and Little Tom. Also in the group there's a female pumpkin named Robo. She is the roundest pumpkin in the pumpkin patch and she never lets anyone forget it. This story takes place in the Bear's Pumpkin Patch. One day in the pumpkin patch, the strangest little pumpkin hatched. Her name was Spoogly. Spoogly was odd and wasn't round. She was a square! Who's a square? You are Spoogly! Am I? Spoogly is a square! Spoogly is a square! Spoogly is a square! I am a square. So we don't want any square pumpkins in our round pumpkin patch. Isn't that right, Big Tom? No way, Little Tom. The only pumpkins are round pumpkins. Isn't that right, Bobo? Round and beautiful, just like me. Look at everyone else! You do not like that! You just don't fit in! And I can't even roll! Can two? Okay, let's scream it! Roll! Rolling is hard! Rolling is hard! Rolling is hard! I can't roll! Spoogly can't roll! Spoogly can't roll! Spoogly can't roll! And you know what else, Spoogly? Lord! Nana's gonna pick you! Why not? Only the roundest pumpkins in the patch are gonna get picked. Just like me. I'm going to get picked. Me too. I'm going to get picked by the farmer as a special pumpkin to sit on his porch. So, if you will excuse me, I need to get my beauty sleep. I'm a little sleepy. Me too. It's not fair the Times Square. If I was round, no one would tease me. Spoogly didn't know it, but she was about to find out that it's fine to be round when the weather is good, but there are times it's better to be a square. It is the next morning in the pumpkin patch. The pumpkins are still asleep. A mighty storm blew across the bay. tossed around pumpkins to and fro. It snapped their vines and off they go.
Help! Somebody help us!
Suddenly the fence gave way and a pumpkin rolled out and into the bay. Spoogly knew what must be done. It was up to her. She was the one.
I'm not round and I can't roll, but I have to block that hole. I did it! I did it!
All the pumpkins shouted. Then the wind blew a pumpkin towards the bay. Spoogly caught him before he could blow it away. Then another round pumpkin rolled towards the bay. Brave little Spoogly kept blocking the way.
I'm not round and I can't roll, but I won't let any of you blow out of this hole.
Spoogly blocked that hole all day and night. Not one pumpkin blew into the bay. She kept them all safe as the storm blew and blew. It is the next morning in the pumpkin patch, and the storm had stopped. Farmer Alexander came and checked his pumpkins.
Thank you, Spoogly. Thank you, Spoogly.
And when the last pumpkin was moved away, Farmer Alexander could see that Spoogly the square pumpkin had saved the day. Of all the seeds I've ever grown, you're the most special. As a reward for being so brave, you're the special pumpkin I picked to sit on my porch. It is 1 year later in Billy's pumpkin patch. All the pumpkins are growing on the floor. And the next year when it was time to sow, Farmer Alexander sowed those seeds in every row. And oh, that morning when the pumpkin patch began to bloom, there were tiny pumpkins everywhere. Hundreds and hundreds. Most of them square. But
I'm a rectangle. I'm an oval. I make triangles. I'm red. I'm yellow. I'm purple. I'm blue. We are all different sizes and colours and shapes like you.
now you know the story of how Spoogly grew. Maybe someday if you tell someone too, you can't judge a book.
Or a pumpkin by its cover.
The end.
Oh, I do. Never got it. I got a bit in his head.
with the flippy floppy hats. I can shake my hands.